Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick set. And this is part of the Smashbox holiday collection. You get 4 travel size liquid matte lipsticks in here in the shade Yes Honey, Role Model, Bang Bang, Misconduct, and you also get the reusable box. Such a beautiful packaging, may I first say. I purchased this from Ulta for $29 with my own money, and I was excited to come here and share it with you.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
As you see, all of these shades applied beautiful in this Smashbox liquid lipstick holiday set. There is something in here for everyone. There's a neutral shade, there's a bright red shade, there's a dark red shade, there's this pinkish shade in the middle. There is absolutely something in here for everyone to love. And this is 100% matte lipsticks. If you do love matte lipsticks, I would highly recommend this for you. This would make a great Christmas gift. It will make a great personal gift, as I did purchase this for myself, and I am 100% satisfied with this purchase. I will totally recommend this new Smashbox liquid lipstick set to anyone who's looking for a beautiful, beautiful liquid lipstick holiday set. And I will leave all of the details in my description box. If there's anything at all that I didn't mention about this, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.